Welcome. My name's Brian Knife and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday for me as the week moves on. Crawling into some positives. Let me just share this to start with. Welcome, Tom and Darren. Okay.
Hi guys. I actually am babysitting a dog and they're already going nuts, so I'm going to be in and out.
Okay, no worries at all, Tom. Yeah, take it easy. Okay, please note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed purely as educational only. That's because we're a group of people helping each other and we are not financial advisors. There is a full risk disclosure and a little bit about us as live session traders, and we trade the relaxed method of trading. Very, very relaxed. So let's go over and look at the charts. Let's see what's going on. All right. Now, where are we here? Okay, AD CAD. So, the Canadians definitely sort of got some strength now. So the Aussie dollar weakened off. It really hasn't done very much here. Up, down a bit, up, down, say, and just really not really moving at all. As I said, our federal budget came out the other night, and not before last. Um, and Tom's going to be tied up. Tom was in a sell on this, so I don't know whether he got out at that point and then.
I'm already out of the cell
Yeah.
and I'm waiting for the buy.
Okay, you're just waiting. Okay, Norris. Cool. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, the AUDCHF. We Darren and I are not sort of in anything on that. So now AUDCHF, I did get in, got knocked out. It's gone green. Now, this is a potential, really, I should be into the buy from a mechanical perspective on this. I don't know. Let me have a look and see if I can get into a buy on it. Look at this stuff. What have we got over here, Tom? What's your perspective on AUDCHF? We'll use that to, there we go. Oh, no, no. Well, I mean, the green line's saying it'll go up, but we've got a red candle in there. So it's really not the time to do too much. And then the daily is saying sell. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I think I'll just sit that one out still. At the moment, I'm not too happy, all right, with or convinced of wherever that is at the moment. ADJPY. I'm in a double buy on this. Oh, where are the rails? There they are. Off here somewhere, a double buy. Yeah, it's going okay. Still in a bit of drawdown though, because it got in somewhere up here, so pulled down back. It still hasn't come. It would have been in some profit there overnight, but it's sucked back. So that's okay. Still in it's got a green trend bar, still in the right sort of direction. Got a 3/4 and full trade. AD NZD for the buy as well. Look, it done a little suck back then. Last 24 hours. pull back down. But still green the trend bar, still sort of doing its thing. So you can normally assume that you'll get some sort of draw, pull back down with that type of push up there. Stop losses here because it turned green on that. I would have got in roughly there, so that candle becomes a stop loss on it. AUD and Singapore. Oh, things are moving slow. What's going on? There we go. Oh, might be time to turn computer off and back on again for things are just, but in a relaxed method, I suppose a relaxed trading, it's such a big deal. All right, not in this. It's, could have been some sort of a 3/4, but again, it's not something that I'm say it's a great sort of trade. AUD USD. No, what is going on? Yeah, slowly. Gosh. I think this is a similar situation to AUD Singapore. We're doing a lot of change on the trend bar, up, down, all over the place, in the middle. So I think Darren got into a 3/4 on this one. A single trade. He did get a short, and it's it's on its way out to the 3/4 on the other side. Okay. CAD CHF. Oh, some of these are not. I had a look at these before. They all changed pretty easy. Something's going on. All right, now I'm in a double trade on this. It's got a long now. We've got a green. It's pushing up quite nicely, actually. Well, there. So yeah, lots of green triangles pushing up. It's been good. Got a 3/4 trade and a full channel trade. So that's nice. Just takes a while, get into the trade here where it turned to pull back a bit. Now it's pushed back up. So hopefully it does whatever its thing to get to the up to profit, to profit areas. CAD JPY. It's doing a similar thing as well. Double trade from here, did pull back, and then it's going up. Where are we? Come on. The rails. So we came up close. I mean, it's a bit further before it gets to 3/4. So we could get one of these trades to come out. What are we at? They're all up. They're up about nearly 90 pips at the moment, two of them. So once I get that 3/4 trade, I'll move my stop loss up to break even at least. If not, it depends. It might come up to, below this candle, which might not be break even. We'll see. Anyway, but going the right direction on that one too. Just taking a couple of weeks to get there. CHF JPY. I'm also in double. Am I in double trades? Hang on. Yeah. Oh, that's right. CHF JPY. That's right. So I got knocked out there, got back into two trades here. Oh gosh, it's slow. the trend bar is quite, sort of red, green here. We've got a 3/4 trade there. It's pulled back down and pushing back up. I've got another profit target at the outside rail. So I've already got one lot of profit out of it.
Sorry, I'd lost you. I'd lost you for a few minutes then, Brian.
Yeah.
But I got into CAD CHF, which I think you've just done that one, haven't you?
You got into CAD CHF.
Yeah,
Hang on a minute. Let me go back and have a look at it.
that was a double.
Yeah, I've been well into it for a while.
Oh, have you? Right.
Yeah. Probably a week or more at least.
I got in on the long.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. You're waiting for the long. Okay. Yeah. It was the last candidates. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm sort of up 25 pips already on it, or whatever the percentage might be. Depends on what the stop loss is. I can't remember where I've got in. I think it was there. I think stop loss is there. 6, where is it? Uh, 67934. Yeah. It's just below that candle here. So I got in when it turned green there, and then it pulled back on me red. Maybe I should have got out, but I didn't, and then it's pushed back up. All right. Now we're on the euros. These have been going all right too.
Yeah.
You got into that Euro CAD. Euro AUD. My feed's just moving
Well,
really slow.
it was going the wrong way, wasn't it? But it's
Yeah. Euro AUD was
heading back down again.
yeah. It's done. He did I got in on it because of all of the indicators. Then it pulled back, but now it's sort of dropping off nicely, which is hopefully it will continue to a certain extent. So that's the Euro AUD. Gosh, I just looked at these just a moment ago, and they all just came up very nicely, easily. But anyway, we've got a bit of delay here for some reason. Let's see if I refresh that page. I reload it. Let's see what happens. We'll come back with might just be that. Oh yeah, here's the daily of it. That's right. We'll see what happens. Rails haven't come in. Anyway, that's I think it's inside rail now. Come on, the rail. Anyway, it is sort of going in the right sort of direction. What news we got there? Oh, yeah, no. The word is that on the 1st of April there'll be there won't be any rate change. They're talking at the moment. The consensus is there's not going to be any rate changing, bringing the rate down until say maybe June, July, somewhere around there. So, and then maybe something later in the year, but it all depend on the numbers, right? Okay. EuroCAD. I got in a bit later than you, Darren, on EuroCAD, only purely because of spread for me, but EuroCAD's doing nicely. I think I've got
It is.
2 trades on that, and they're both about nearly 100 pips in profit. So that's positive. Oh, the rails aren't coming in. Anyway, I've got a 3/4 and a full trade on that. So it hasn't even made it to the center yet. Yeah.
I have
Okay,
3 trades running on this.
you would. You would. You're a kid. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Yes. Well, I'd say every brick, is it, Thomas? Like every new brick in the right direction, you're into another trade.
No, only up to a certain point.
Okay.
Once it passes my point, I don't put any more trades on until I
And
get
where,
a.
yeah, and your stop losses are what? That one brick back, or is it, or is it at the beginning? Do you put your stop losses
No, it's
all at the
two
same
back.
point?
It's
Yeah,
two
it's
bricks
always
back.
two back. Okay, right, right. Yeah.
Or if it's moving, it's when I catch it.
Okay. Rightio. Good. Thank you. Rightio. Euro CHF is really again another trade which I'm not I don't think I don't think I've got no, I don't have enough free margin, I don't think, to get into another one, but that's okay.
Yeah, I'm
Whoever's
in
in,
this for a double.
yeah, good.
Yeah,
They're doing all right, aren't they? And Euro
well,
GB and then Euro GBP, where are you? We'll see
that's
where
pulled
that
back a
comes.
bit, I think, today, or it was when I last looked.
Yeah, let
I'm
me
still in
just
that for a signal.
yeah, okay. Oh, that's right, because it didn't come out of the rails properly. That's right.
Yeah,
It's still so it's still in this sort of drop, pullback, drop, that
yeah.
sort of
I have
thing.
6 trades going on this.
Six in the cell.
Yep.
Even with those pullbacks, they don't come up so much in the
I don't see those.
wow.
I don't care about how much they move up back and forth. I just see the next brick.
Yeah, the next brick. Yeah, okay, cool. So it sort of just smooths that out to a certain extent, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Right, yeah. Now you're at JPY. I think I'm in. Yeah, that's still not. I mean that for 2 cells. I'm still in drawdown on that. Oh, it's a bit frustrating today. This not showing up very quickly. That's okay. We've got a bit of time. It's easy, isn't it, to be able to look at all these pairs within a relatively short period of time. If you know what you're looking for, um, it doesn't take long to make a decision whether you'd be in the trade or not. And with your sort of with the bricks, Tom, like that AUD CHF, it's sort of like I'm still staying out just purely because the bricks aren't giving me that confidence. Where anyway, maybe I should just mechanically. Right, Euro JPY in 2 cells on this, but it's turned green up down. It really isn't pushing down as hard as it's sort of going a bit sideways. So we'll see what happens anyway. Um, it's probably one of the ones I'm a little bit dubious on, really. All right, Euro NZD. I am in 2 cell trades on this as well. It shows up. It's good. It did up, pull back up, and now it's red again in the trend bar, pulling back down. It hasn't broken structure here though, which is a bit of concern, but we'll see. See how it rallies towards. We've got, plenty of red triangles. We do have a short. It was on the outside. I've got a 3/4 and a full trade on that. It's very similar to that. Euro AUD has done a similar sort of thing. Right, Euro Singapore. This is definitely for a restart, this one. It's not the internet. It's just obviously processor or something. Come on. There we go. Um, this is similar to that Euro GBP. After a big push up like it did, and significant, some big candles, this is likely to pull back down a fair way. And if I could, I would be in the sell on this, but it's again, I don't have the margin at the moment because I'm in 18 trades at the moment.
I'm in 4 on this pair.
Yeah, you would. It's the same, similar thing as Euro GBP, isn't it? Where you're in a number of trades. Okay, that's good.
31
It's just
total.
31 trades total.
Yeah.
Wow, you must have put heaps on at the start of this week then, or through the week.
I put trades on every day, day in and
Yeah,
day out.
yeah.
I pick up the trades where they're presenting themselves.
Mm, mm. Purely mechanical.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, great. Fantastic. All right. But you're not trading Singapore dollar, are you?
Oh, sorry. I thought this was Euro USD.
Ah, okay.
Oh, I'm on the wrong
It,
pair. I apologize.
no, that's okay. Yeah. You'd be in a number of trades on this as well. Okay. But if you were on Singapore, you probably would be in a number of trades.
Yep.
Okay. You haven't thought of getting into the Singapore group. Okay.
I think I got in this. I've got to count it open now.
Yeah.
Am I in
I
this?
seem to remember you did.
Yeah.
But the Euro USD is also too. There'll be a number of trades in that. That I haven't been able to, as again, spread. These are things that I would
Yeah,
like to be in.
I got into that.
Yeah, because you've got a short.
Yeah, I got into that last night. So yeah, it made a good start. Pushing into profit.
Okay. Now, here are the damn culprits. This one, the GA, I got in and lost 2 trades on this one, but it's just the way it goes sometimes. Come on.
This is gonna set up again soon.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back in it.
We need
Well,
to, that's right.
mechanical. It's mechanical.
Yeah.
If it
Short,
if
long,
it
bang.
meets the criteria, you get. It doesn't matter if you
Yeah,
put the plus once.
yeah, I know. As you
Because it is
said,
it yeah, it is gonna drop. It's
yeah.
just catching that drop.
And did that push up? Okay. Well, in actual fact, it's yeah. Let's go look at Tom's bricks on it. So let's hang on. Wait, we got GA. So where's it looking at the moment? Gee, it's slow on everything. Okay. Yes, time to restart. Come on. Let's look at right. Yeah, it's a bit messy, isn't it? It's looking like it might buy back up again. And the daily's saying buy. Look at that. We don't have a yellow, but there's a green brick in there already. And this green line saying buy back up, potentially
Shrink
to
it down
break it.
more. Shrink away down.
That?
See it. Yeah. See, it's showing you it's starting to cut across, but the
Yeah,
trend is still going up.
yeah,
So I'm only looking for buys here.
yeah. Okay. Yeah,
The trend lines are all green.
yeah.
Everything's still green. I'm only looking for buys here.
Mm.
So I
Yeah,
took this
Derek.
short
Yeah, you took the short up there.
because the
Yes.
short showed this green line going down. So when I took the short, this changed this green line going sideways.
Mm-hmm.
So I move my stop down to my entry. If it comes back, I don't lose anything, and it'll trigger me into the trade going up. And if this holds true, that it's going to continue up on the daily time frame,
Yeah.
then this is the one I want to be in anyways, because eventually this is going to take off upward.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I want to catch it while it's at the bottom. So I'm actually, see that higher low there? That's where my stop loss is going to be.
Okay. Yeah.
Because that higher low should not get beat.
You could. Yeah.
If it's going to go higher.
Mm. Mm. Correct.
So as I'm getting out of this trade for the short, I'm waiting for it to just trigger. It's going to trigger me into the buy.
Yeah, because you got 1, 2. It should be okay.
If this turns and says, you're triggered in now, and it starts pulling up and then gives me another short, I'll wait to see if it breaks this bottom. If it breaks this bottom, then it's going to continue down. But as of now, I'm looking at this going, oh, look at the rails. Even the rails are saying it's pushing up.
Buy. Yeah, I know. No, Darren, you heard it here first.
Yeah.
From the Tominator.
Yeah, that's right.
So take that information what you guys will.
Oh,
I don't want you guys to decide one way or another on what I'm doing. What you guys have planned.
Look at this confidence in what. Yeah, okay. Unbelievable. Rightio. No, and I think it's good to be able to consider that as well. And look, if we get in a bit later, then we do. But at the moment, it's sort of saying, for me, on the strategy I have, it should be getting in, but I'm not going to. GBP CAD.
This one, I think this.
Yeah, GBP CAD's definitely into the sell, good and proper. Are you in where are the rails? Are you in, like Darren, in a double on this one? You're breaking up a lot. You must be traveling still. Okay. Well, GBP CAD is definitely it's taken a while for these to set up, but this is also too a good trade, I think, at the moment. And GBP and CHF. And this is the one that keeps saying it's rubbish. To us up and down. It's anyway. GJ. I'm in double buy on this.
So just for an example, can you go back to GBP CHF real quick?
Yeah, it's still.
So just for an example, when this tagged me in, it was Tuesday on the 18th. That's that high wick right there.
Mm-hmm.
And it has stayed that there's two candles. They've just gone back and forth till today. They still haven't broke out.
2 bricks,
but it just shows the same candle pattern. It's just 6 pattern. So that's why I'm saying the candles are 2 hours, yes, but they don't show this. They just show the 2 candles. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll try and go there. GBP CHF. I'll go where it is, just so you can. Yeah, it's just look at it.
You see what I mean?
Bang,
it's
bang,
just
bang,
straight
bang,
across.
bang. Yeah, nothing. And that was 12th of March. Okay.
Right. And that red wick is what tagged me in.
Ah, yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm just waiting. Either it's going to buy or it's going to sell.
Yeah.
Days pass without these things moving.
Are you in a trade at the moment, or are you not?
Yeah, I'm in the buy.
Are you in the buy still? Okay. Yeah, okay. Hmm. But the green line's saying it potentially will sell.
Yeah, but the bigger one says it's going to buy.
Oh, yeah, of course it does. Yeah, the daily. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
And on my green line on the 2 hour, it's actually showing it breaking the top of the 2 hour time frame.
Yeah, yours is quite different, isn't it?
A little bit. My daily's the same as
Yeah.
yours,
Yeah,
kind of.
yeah. Okay, cool. Right, okay. Let's go back. So now we've got GJ. Let's see if that'll show up or not. Oh, God. There we go. All right, so I got in down here somewhere. It pushed up. I got into this candle. It pulled all the way back. It didn't break down past the stop loss, and then it has slowly ground its way up. I have got a 3/4 out of this already. Now I'm sort of waiting for it to push a bit further up to the outside of the rail, if we get to see where the rail is. So, yeah, here we go. The thing is, it's just created a sort of a lower high. But it did pull back there, and then pushed up, then pulled back a bit, and it's trying to push back up again. That'd be nice. I got a TP at the rail. GA and GN will be similar because they tend to just copy out each other. So the GN, same sort of situation. We've got selling out, got into that. Actually, I didn't get into the trade because I didn't have enough spread at that or margin. It pushed down up. It looks like it's about to drop off again. It got along just before the pullback down. So we'll wait and see. I'm not. I mean, Darren, you might be in.
Yeah, I'm in GN. Yeah,
You're in double on that
yeah,
one.
yeah. Double trouble.
Yeah, yeah. All right. GBP and Singapore. It's sort of hanging up the top there. It doesn't really want to drop off yet. We do have a little bit of red trend bar, but look, there's just no candle in there that's giving me any confidence. But after a significant push up like that, this jostling sideways is before it's going to sort of drop off. I feel I'm going to high up there. You'll see there's a number of triangles up there, red triangles. We've got a trend bar change. Mechanically, that's where I should be getting in, but again, I'm in 18 and that's enough for me at the minute. GU. Yeah.
Any sign of a short yet on this one, Brian?
No, I can't see one yet. Not on my feed. It could be
No,
on yours, but
I don't think
there's
there was earlier when I looked.
no, there's nothing there at the moment. But if we look at the rails, it started, we've got a red trend bar now. It has sort of pushed down, back up a bit, back down. Really, mechanically, could be in this trade. But I just can't take every trade at the moment until I build up the account a bit more. All right. So now look at NZD CAD. Not in that, but look how good that is.
Yeah,
Darren. Yeah.
in it. I think so.
Yeah, you'll be good. You're now at that sort
Yeah,
of middle danger
yeah,
zone now.
yeah. That's right. Yeah, in the sell on this one. Yeah.
Did you do a double?
Nice.
You would have done a double because it came outside.
Yeah, I think it was a double.
Yeah.
That's the thing
Okay.
when you're in so many, you forget.
Yeah.
You need to be looking at the screen to remember what you've done.
Yeah, sweet. All right, NZD and CHF. It's starting to change a bit better now. I don't know what's going on. Come on, there's the rails. Because it would have pushed outside, yeah. Oh, it might have been a 3/4. This mightn't be too good for you. Yeah, we'll see. That one for me is not a go at the minute. All right, so it didn't quite. Oh, might have. No, it didn't quite make the 3/4. All right, enter DJPY. I'm not. No, I think this one I may have got knocked out of. What? No, I didn't take it. I don't think. Yeah, that would have been a 3/4. Nice trade there. But anyway,
Yeah, I keep looking at that one thinking, why didn't I take the 3/4 on it?
yeah, I think it was
Don't know why I didn't.
because no, you got the long and the candle was past the middle, and you went,
Oh,
no,
that's right. Yeah, that was
there's
it. It
not
was past the
enough,
middle.
not enough profit percentage in that one. I'm going to leave it. You said that's what I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah. I think
So
that's one of my sort of rules. Don't get in after the after
midline.
the midline. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
All right, NU, and that's already sort of. This is the one where you got knocked out and then off it went and pulled back and came back up.
Well, I'm in it for
3/4 for a single
three
trade.
quarter. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. See how that goes. Singapore and Japanese yen. Now that's still pushing up. I was in that. I'm pretty sure it was in there, and then it's come back down again, knocked me out, and pushing back up. I didn't get back into it, but there is that long. I don't think you did either, Darren.
No.
That's okay. UCAD, a bit crazy, nothing there for us. It's in the middle of the rails. USD CHF. Now this is one that I should certainly be in the buy on that one. It's outside the rail. It's got green triangles. We've got a higher low there. It's gone green on the trend bar. I just don't think I can take a trade on it. Let me just have a look. Was it USD CHF? I might be able to. The USDs are typically crazy anyway. We've got tariff stuff coming. I'm going to stay out of it for the minute. We'll just see. I think, yeah, just there's a fair bit of volatility going on. Mid 18, it's like I don't want to sort of jeopardize it too much drawdown on that. Radio, this also USDC, JPY would have been a pretty good trade to get in, but the long was around that middle too. So I don't know. Do have green triangles? There's all this sort of play on it up. All right, USD and Singapore is another one. The US dollar is picking up at the moment. I think there's tariff stuff in it's next week after. It's probably going to push things around a bit, make it a bit volatile. Okay, gold is 318, pull back, but it's really not dropped off. Really not dropped off. And silver is also too, did a really nice push up yesterday.
Yeah, I was in this for a single and then closed it when the trend bar turned green again.
Yeah, okay, good.
So I took a bit of a loss on it.
Yeah, but it's better to do that than to stay in and it push way up. Yeah, okay. It is pushing up a bit, the Bitcoin, up to 86 again. It's not too bad. It hasn't dropped off dramatically, but anyway. And oil. It's
Yeah, I think
pushed
he's
up
doing all.
nicely for you, and there you go
Yeah,
along.
yeah, got along now, so that's like an extra boost. I'm already in it and up in profit, and
Yeah,
now I've got the long,
got a
which will
rocket
hopefully
into it.
help keep it going.
Yeah, the only problem is at the Bowser, it's going to make it more expensive. So, but anyway,
Yeah,
maybe fill up, fill up before. Anyway, no, I'm only kidding. Anyway, well, that's oil. So good, you're in that buy on that. Lovely. And cocoa's still sitting around that 8,200. All right. Any other insights you want to follow out on? They're quickly coming up now. Anyway, I'll turn the computer off and back on today. If I get a chance, I've got plenty of stuff happening. Any other insights? You're raking it in there, Tom? In 30 trades or something?
Yeah, I'm doing all right. So I closed out
Percent
about
this week.
3%. What's that?
Yeah. This week's been pretty good, hasn't it?
Yeah, I closed out about 3% this morning, and I'm still at 4.92.
That are in that could you could close out if you wanted to.
At any point. Yeah.
Mm. We'll have to find out how much you gained for the week. You're already 3% up. That's good.
Yeah. So it fluctuates.
Yeah,
So
of course it does.
when I get these little small losses, I just delete the trades and the numbers change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So all the trades I want to be out of right now are, I'm sorry, the ones that are at risk right now are red, are just starting.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So I'm okay with those being red. If they were, if a week passes and it's starting to slow down and look like it's starting to turn, I'll just get out. I don't care how much I profit. I'll just get out. Why risk it?
Yeah, correct.
So, and sometimes they keep going in the direction I thought it was. You
As
just never know. But that's all right.
I agree with you, Tom. I think just staying in a trade because you're in a trade is just a waste of time.
Yeah, exactly.
They're not going anywhere. Better off to kill them out.
There's just so many options running at
Yeah.
the moment that it's like
it's not worth sitting in something that's not going to do anything.
I don't know. I don't have to take any chance.
Yeah.
Zero chance. If it doesn't look right, just get out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, just let it run.
Yeah. Yeah, no, good philosophy. Yeah. All right. Well, you're obviously still traveling, Darren. So,
yeah. This is my last of my travels for the week. So,
such a company man, aren't you, Darren?
such a what? Sorry.
A company man. You're a company man.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah. Loyal. It's good.
Yeah.
All right then. Unless there's anything else, you want
I'm good.
any other sort of international politics you want to cover off on, or
No, not in the least.
no? Okay.
Our chancellor. It was
Oh yeah.
her. It was her spring statement
Yep.
today. So all she was doing really was just justifying, what she's been doing. Really, I don't think there's anything. There's no revelations in there. So she did that, and then the opposition parties get the chance to attack her, and that's about it, really. I think the economic growth forecast has been reduced for this year, but for future years after that, they've increased forecast. I don't know what that will do for the pound, but that's about it, really.
And apparently there's some agreement between Russia and Ukraine or something, and
Oh yeah, the Black Sea,
stop. Yeah. But then Russia wants some sanctions taken off to be
Yeah,
able.
and that Lavrov, Sergei Lavrov, I heard him referring to our partner, the US. I talking about each other as partners now, the US and Russia. I mean, it's just
Yeah,
outrageous, just totally outrageous.
yeah, yeah. It's all sort of just brainwashing crap. Yeah. Well, have they sent over the award yet? The Employee of the Month award, or
So
his
apparently
chief?
that's the scam. That's what the Trump coin is.
Oh, that's the Employee of the Month thing, is
So
it?
the money can be transferred to buy his coin, where he can borrow money against his coin value. So if somebody pays his coin $500 million, he gets to borrow it against that account.
It is a way of getting around sort of election.
There's no ledgers, there's no nothing.
Yeah,
There's no identification of who's sending who money.
yeah.
It's the biggest scam in US government history.
Dodgy. Oh no, that's Doge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
See,
That's
over
why they
here.
created the coin and killed the Now project, which was the crypto coin for the US government.
Oh, right.
And he said no to the US government and said yes to his own coin.
Yeah, of course, it's all about him. But you know what, DOGE, over here we call it dodgy. You know what dodgy is, though?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they call it Doge, but it's dodgy. Whole thing's dodgy. Yeah. Mm. All right then. I think that's the politics of the world at the moment. I just feel for Ukraine, that's all. And also too that the whole thing's happening in Israel and Palestine. That the Gaza's like non-existent, I think. They're just trying to blow everybody up and out of there and clear it out, unfortunately.
Yep.
All right. Until tomorrow, which is my Friday, your Thursday. See how we go and how things progress.
Take care, guys.
You too. Take it